I'm working now on SB08. Let's take a look at number 5. Select other ways to write 50,898. Mark all that apply. Okay, I just said 50,897. I might have said 98, but 50,897. 50,897. D works. All right, 50,000. Let's go here. That says 5,000, so no. 50,000, check. I got my 8 in the hundreds place, 800, check. 9 in the tens place, 90. 7 in the ones place, perfect, B works. Let's take a look at A. Let's see, 5 times 10,000 would give me 50,000, so that works. 8 times 100 would give me 800. 9 times 10 would give me 90, and 7 times 1 would give me 7. So A, B, and D work. Let's take a look at number 6. 0 and 84 hundredths is 10 times as much as, all right, this is supposed to be 10 times bigger, 10 times as much as, so I would have to just move my decimal over once over there, and that would give me 10 times less, so it looks like that. Okay, because if I moved my decimal over once, it would be right there. It would look like that, right? It's 10 times as much as 84 thousandths, and 1/10 of, 1/10 of, so if I had 0 and 84 hundredths, and 1/10 of that, this means I would move my decimal this way. This 10 times as much means I would move my decimal that way, right? When I move my decimal this way, it would give me 8.4. So let's see if that makes sense. 84 hundredths is 10 times as much as that. Yep, that's 10 times bigger. And then 1/10 of means that this should be smaller than this number, 8 4/10, and that does look smaller. So I think I did my decimals right. Okay, take a look at number 7. Shade the model to show the decimal 674 thousandths. If you were looking at the other page, you know that this, or any square really, cut up into 10 is into the thousandths place. So this would be the thousandths place, and I have 4 there, and 67 tens here. So I know that this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. So I know I'm going to shade that for the 67. And for my 4 thousandths, I will shade in 4 of the thousand sticks. And again, that second box is just this small box divided into 10. So I would do this by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure these 4 are shaded. Okay, so that would be 674 thousandths. Let's take a look at number 8. Kind of similar to the one before. 92 hundredths is 10 times as much as, so I know that 10 times as much as, I'm going to have to move my decimal this way because this number should be smaller. So I'd move my decimal once because it says 10 times as much. So it would look like this one. And 1/10 of means I'd move my decimal this way from this original one. So I would take 0.92 and move my decimal one place, and it would be 9.2. And let's see if that makes sense. This number should be bigger than this, yep. And this number should be smaller than this, yep. So that works. And that is SB8.